How to make money online. Making money online is more possible than ever, but it takes effort, patience, and the right approach. Here are some proven ways to get started. Freelancing. If you have a skill, writing, design, programming, video editing, or even voiceover, you can earn by offering it on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Sell products or crafts. You can sell handmade items or digital products like ebooks or art on Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products using special links. When someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Best on blogs, YouTube, or social media. Online tutoring or courses. If you're good at something, math, music, coding, etc., teach it. Use platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or start a YouTube channel. Dropshipping and e-commerce. Open a store using Shopify or WooCommerce, find products to sell, and ship them through a supplier. You don't hold inventory. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or a blog. With consistent content and a growing audience, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, or brand deals. Remote jobs or internships. Search for legit remote work on sites like We Work Remotely, Indeed, or Remote OK. Many companies hire freelancers and remote employees worldwide. Last, always watch out for scams. Real online work usually doesn't ask for money up front. Start small, be consistent, and grow over time.